I am going to try to get this thing on here. So, hello everyone. It's Sunday already. Sunday, the 21st of February, 2021. I hope everybody's doing well. And this week we're going to talk about qualitative analysis. We spoke a few days about what basic types of research you can do in qualitative research. We spoke about the interview, we spoke about focus groups, and we discussed some things, how to take field notes, what you should be looking out for. This class today, I think we want to dive a little deeper into what we were discussing last week, and hopefully we can get a better grasp at this. Qualitative data analysis is not always easy or replicable. In other words, if you listen to one person say how to do this, you might get 20 other professors having different ideas of what's right. I think there is a general consensus of what's the right approach, but it's open-ended. It's a little different. So, what qualitative data analysis is the process of identifying patterns in written information in the audio recordings you take or videos you take or some imagery you may have. You're trying to identify some patterns, and there's no really universally accepted rules, like I said before, and in this process that exactly define or give you step-by-step methods to do what you got to do. But you should go through it in as much detail and as thorough as possible in your approach. There are different pathways to arrive at a good understanding of your data through qualitative analysis.